Hello, my name is Carly, and today I will be doing the Interactive Advanced Concept Lab for chemistry. So the experiment that we are going to be doing today is the salt and pepper and balloon experiment. And we are going to demonstrate how static electricity creates a charge for pepper to be attracted to our balloon. So we will start with our supplies. I have salt, I have pepper, I have my balloon, and then I also have a control for this experiment, which I chose water. So I have a wet paper towel that we will be using later on. So step one is to combine salt and pepper onto our plate. So I'll show you here. We'll start with pepper. I'm going to try to get a good bit of pepper on here. Okay, I think that's pretty much good. All right, now we're going to take our salt. We'll just sprinkle some salt on here. I'm going to give it a good mix. Try to get it evenly distributed here as possible. Okay, that looks about good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the static electricity. How I'm going to do this is I'm going to rub my balloon on my head, and my hair is going to create a negative charge to the balloon. So this balloon will have a negative charge. Our pepper has a positive charge, and positive and negative attracts. So once we negatively charge this balloon, then we will see the pepper rise to the balloon. And there's some stars on this balloon, so we'll see if you can see the pepper well. I think that you will be able to, but we'll start with this first. So let's get this hair ready. You guys don't get to judge the way that my hair looks after this. So we're really gonna get this negatively charged there, okay? And now we will hold it over the pepper. And here you can see that the electrons from my hair transferred to our balloon to make it negative, and the positive pepper transferred to the balloon. So the question is, why didn't the salt transfer? And that is because the pepper polarizes easier than the salt does. So the pull to the balloon is easier for the pepper than it is for the salt. So now we're going to take my control, which is water. Water removes the static electricity. So we're going to try to do this. You can kind of see the pepper jumping off of the balloon. Try not to get it to touch my hair again. Okay, so we've pretty much got all of our pepper off of there, and I will add a little bit more pepper to my plate just so that we can see. So now we have removed the charge from the balloon with our wet paper towel. So the water will get rid of this, and now when we hold it over top of the pepper, because that negative charge does not exist as much, we will see that the pepper does not transfer over to the balloon. So our conclusion is that when we create static electricity, or in other terms, we transfer electrons from something like hair to a balloon to negatively charge it, and we place it over a positive charge, then they attract. The salt does not polarize as readily as the pepper does, so you see that the salt stays behind and that the pepper transfers to the balloon. When we add in a control, something that is going to remove that static electricity, my example was water or wet paper towel. When we rub it over the surface of that, then it negates the static electricity, so we place it back over the pepper and we do not see the pool between the pepper and the balloon. So this was my presentation. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.